coming round to our, it's coming front on to us. There it is, it's going right again now. There it is, banked away. Well spotted you, by the way, that's picked up that well, you did. It's obviously hungry, it goes. Oh! Yeah! I'm filming it. Yeah. There's loads of mullet out there, see? And the gulls are attacking it again, look.
The gulls attack it because they're stealing the fish?
Well, partly to do with some of the gulls will still have young around and they'll think the osprey takes the young, it doesn't. It's really a fish-eating bird. But they just naturally attack it. It's like peregrines, buzzards, marsh harriers, all the gulls will attack them, crows. Quite sound like David Attenborough.
We've seen the buzzards. We've got buzzards over our garden, haven't we? The back fields.
Yeah, the crows will go crazy, they attack them all the time.
I think it's the ravens, we've got ravens.
Have you really? You're very lucky to have ravens. Do they make the cronking noise?
Horrible noise.
It's a great good cronk, isn't it? Cronk.
It's like a pig in a tree.
Oh, it's amazing. It's an amazing noise.
Obviously they've nested in the tree near us, the ravens. Obviously,
Alright.
as soon as the
coming in.
come over, they go out.
It's coming in again now. It's coming in now. Oh, it's going back up again.
I'm quite surprised because one of the times it flew into one of our trees, and then the ravens didn't go mad at all. It was quite low. It literally looked like it came out the windowsill.
Well, the thing is, ravens attacked the osprey's nest a couple of years ago in Poole Harbour, and they kept on doing it for quite a while before the goshawk killed one of our ospreys a few years ago. The ravens are really vicious. They'll eat any chicks. This bird's just going round and round and round. Come on, dive again. It's getting close, it's looking.
I'm trying to find it first.
It's going left now.
Just about there.
See the end of my camera, I'm pointing it all the time.
See the last side, there it's gone quite close. I'm going to glide and then dive. Ready?
Here it goes, this diving. Close to the water.
Dive. Yes,
Ah, it's got it.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Ah, I missed again.
Did you get that one? Maybe. That was a good dive, that was a good big splash.
It's had a good shake afterwards.
That was a big splash. Did you see it splash?
Yeah.
That's good.
I didn't see it the next time.
You're very, very lucky. You are very, very lucky. This is something to remember. It's going to come round again.
The osprey's coming round.
That's one of the things I wanted to see here, along with the peregrine falcon.
Remembering that there's at least 6 youngsters in the harbour at the moment, and they're practicing. You know, they're doing it for the first time, really.
Is it gliding above the trees now?
It's going, yeah, going left now. If you look at the end of my camera, that's the direction you've got to look. Looks like it's coming down again. Oh, it's going back up again.
It just goes down, up, down, up.
Oh, it's getting really close. And the sun's come out as well. There we go. It's going down, going down, going down, going down. Go on. Oh, backed out. Tell them there's an osprey here. For them to help. And it hits the water. See it?
Yeah, that's amazing.
And this time, oh, It looks like it's missed again.
Oh.
Yeah, it's missed again. It's going around to the left, you see him? In the tree line. Here it comes, coming towards us. Coming right towards us. Coming right towards us. Wow. Wow, he's hovering there, look at that. Oh, magnificent. Hovering on the wind like a kestrel. Here he goes. Oh, nearly. Tucked his wings in. Here we go. Splash. And it's got one.
Oh.
It's got one.
I feel like we should give him a little clap.
It's got one. And the gull had a go at it.
Oh, that goal.
Gull's having another go at it. But it's got one at last. That's about the 5th attempt.
Oh, bless it.
Oh, you're happy now, aren't you? A quick shake of the water off and it's off and it's on its way.